Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 7 best weather apps for Android. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. The Weather Channel. The Weather Channel app is one of the best apps to get full information about the weather reports for the next 14 days. And it is the specialist in estimating the upcoming thunderstorms in your areas. Further, you can view thunderstorms and weather reports, so that you can plan your journey or your outside work smoothly. Features of the Weather app: Rain Radar and Storm Tracker, 24-hour future radar. Storm radar alerts keep you informed. Hourly and daily forecast updates. Dedicated hurricane map. Ad-free reports. Number 2. Transparent Clock and Weather. Transparent Clock and Weather is a great app to get accurate local and worldwide forecasts. It has thousands of weather locations around the world, so that you can get an accurate weather forecast for any location in the world. They provide reliable weather and information up-to-date and precise. It has an activity feature to find suitable weather for external activities. Features of Transparent Clock and Weather: accurate forecasts, hourly details, radar maps, up-to-date and precise insights, outdoor adventure planning, customizable widgets. Number 3. Weather and Clock Widget. Weather and Clock Widget is a straight app for you to stay updated with the latest weather forecast, so that you can plan your day without wasting an hour. You can view daily and hourly weather forecasts with the most elegant and customizable widgets. Features of Weather and Clock Widgets: automatic location detection, locate by network and GPS, multiple weather providers, hourly and 10-day weather forecast, wind speed and direction in different units, provides insights in graphical representation. Number 4. AccuWeather. AccuWeather is a super accurate weather app to get stay tuned about the live weather, hurricane, storms, and more. With this app, you can be one step ahead to get to know everything about the weather. World of Meteorological Organization recognized AccuWeather as the best application for its user-friendly interface. You can look weather for 45 days ahead. Features of AccuWeather: minute-by-minute weather forecasts, next 14 days weather forecasts reports, daily and hourly weather reports. Weather reports include details about temperature, rain, wind, ice, UV index, and more. Local and worldwide weather forecasts. Number 5. Windy.com. Windy is an extraordinary app for weather forecast visualization. And this is a great app used by pilots, skydivers, kiters, boaters, fishermen, storm chasers, and weather geeks. And even by armed staff and rescue teams. It supports maps of 51 places across the world. Features of Windy.com: high-resolution satellite composite, 51 weather maps, satellite and Doppler radar, 16 altitude levels from the surface to 13.5 kilometers. It provides a detailed forecast about wind. Number 6. WeatherBug. WeatherBug is the fastest and most accurate weather app for you for making your day-to-day work smooth. This live weather app provides you accurate daily and hourly weather reports. Further, it permits you to set any alerts, so that you can view those alerts on your mobile home screen. Features of WeatherBug: simple to use, real-time precipitation, accurate information about dangerous thunderstorms, detailed weather reports of 2.6 million locations around the world. You can view the Doppler radar animation for all kinds of weather conditions. Number 7. Yahoo Weather. Yahoo Weather is an elegant weather forecast app from the brand Yahoo. With this, you can prepare your day well in advance. Further, it provides you stunning Flickr photos of your location showing the time and current climatic conditions. It displays the updates and analytics with an animated interface. Features of Yahoo Weather: provides all the details of weather. Animated sunrise and sunset modules. Track all your favorite cities and areas. You can view 5 days and 10 days weather forecasts reports in advance. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.